guys ready?
Yeah.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If we can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in Farbonne Bay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's a one-man band, and he'll toot his flute for you. Come fly with me, we'll float down in a blue. Once I get you up there, where the air is rarefied, we will fly starry-eyed. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so near. You may hear angels cheer, 'cause we're together. Weather-wise, it's such a lovely day. If you just say the words, then we'll meet the birds down in Acapulco Bay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's fly. Pack up, let's fly away.
Very good.
Thank you guys so much, man.
That was very good.